Making money online has never been easier, and print on demand is one of the best ways to build a profitable business. With no upfront inventory costs and unlimited product options, you can create a passive income stream with just a few designs. Many entrepreneurs are earning thousands of dollars per month by selling custom products online. The key is choosing the right niche, designing products that sell, and using effective marketing strategies. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step process to build a successful print-on-demand business. Stay until the end, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. 1. Choose a profitable niche that sells. Success in print-on-demand starts with picking the right niche. If you try to sell to everyone, you will struggle to stand out. Instead, focus on a specific group of people who are passionate about something. Popular niches include pets, fitness, travel, gaming, and motivational quotes. Research trending topics and see what designs are selling well on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Amazon. A profitable niche has high demand, but not too much competition. When you target the right audience, your products will sell more consistently. 2. Create unique and eye-catching designs. Your designs are the main selling point of your print-on-demand business. If your artwork is generic, it will not attract buyers. Study best-selling designs in your niche and find ways to make yours stand out. You can hire freelance designers or use tools like Canva and Photoshop to create professional-looking graphics. Keep your designs simple, bold, and easy to read. Customers love funny, relatable, or inspirational messages on shirts, mugs, and posters. The more unique your designs, the easier it will be to build a loyal customer base. 3. Select the best print-on-demand platform. Choosing the right platform is crucial for maximizing sales. Popular platforms include Printful, Printify, Redbubble, and Teespring. Some platforms allow you to integrate with Shopify and Etsy, giving you full control over branding and pricing. Others, like Amazon Merch and Redbubble, provide built-in marketplaces with existing customers. Compare profit margins, product quality, and shipping times before deciding. The best platform depends on your business goals and the products you want to sell. A good choice will save you time and increase your earnings. 4. Set up a professional online store. If you want to build a long-term business, having your own online store is a must. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create a professional website. A well-designed store with clear product descriptions and high-quality images builds trust with customers. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, since most shoppers buy from their phones. Add a FAQ section, easy checkout options, and strong branding to stand out. A professional store helps you build a brand instead of relying on marketplace traffic alone. 5. Use SEO and keywords to get more sales. Without traffic, your store will not make money. That is why using search engine optimization, SEO, is so important. Research keywords that people are searching for and include them in your product titles and descriptions. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon have their own search algorithms, so optimizing your listings increases visibility. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or EtsyRank to find the best keywords. The better your SEO strategy, the more organic sales you will get without spending on ads. 6. Leverage social media marketing. Social media is one of the best ways to drive traffic to your store. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your products. Post engaging content, such as behind-the-scenes videos, customer reviews, and design mock-ups. Use hashtags and trends to increase your reach and attract more followers. Running targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram can also help you scale your business. The more people see your products, the higher your chances of making consistent sales. 7. Run paid ads for faster growth. If you want to scale quickly, running ads can boost your sales. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads allow you to target specific audiences based on interests and behaviors. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives to see what works. Focus on eye-catching images, compelling copy, and clear call to actions. Retargeting ads can bring back visitors who did not buy the first time. With the right ad strategy, you can turn your store into a money-making machine. 8. Offer limited time discounts and promotions. Creating urgency encourages customers to buy now instead of later. Run limited time sales, bundle discounts, and special promotions to increase conversions. Flash sales and holiday-themed discounts work especially well. Use countdown timers on your website to create a sense of urgency. Offering free shipping or bonus items can also boost sales. The more reasons you give customers to buy, the faster your business will grow. 9. Automate and scale your business. To reach $5,000 a month or more, you need to scale efficiently. The key is automation, reducing manual tasks so you can focus on growing your brand. Use tools like Zapier, Printful, and Shopify apps to handle order processing, inventory updates, and customer service. Automate email marketing with sequences that nurture customers and bring back repeat buyers. Outsource design work to freelancers so you can consistently launch new products. Once you find winning designs, create similar variations to expand your catalog. Scaling is all about increasing efficiency while maintaining quality. Consider launching a niche brand with a strong community to drive consistent sales. A loyal audience will return for new designs, increasing customer lifetime value. The more you automate, the more time you have to focus on branding, marketing, and business expansion. When you remove yourself from daily operations, your print-on-demand business becomes a truly passive income stream. 10. Stay consistent and keep testing. Success in print-on-demand does not happen overnight. It requires patience, testing, and continuous learning. Some designs will fail, and that is completely normal. The key is to track performance, understand what works, and double down on winning products. Use data from your store, ad campaigns, and customer feedback to refine your strategy. Experiment with different niches, color schemes, and typography styles to find your unique selling point. Keep improving your website, optimizing product descriptions, and tweaking your ads to increase conversions. Consistency in launching new products, marketing, and audience engagement is what builds a long-term business. Many people quit too soon because they expect instant success, but those who persist eventually see results. The more you test and adapt, the more you increase your chances of success. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your print-on-demand store into a reliable full-time income stream that grows year after year. Making $5,000 a month with print-on-demand is achievable if you follow the right steps. Choose a profitable niche, create high-quality designs, and use smart marketing strategies. Leverage SEO, social media, and paid ads to attract more customers. Automate your business so you can scale and increase your earnings. If you stay consistent and keep learning, your print-on-demand store can become a long-term source of passive income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more money-making strategies.